Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Today we are going to continue our story about leaflet package, and I'm going to show you how to group your elements. Let's say that you have multiple elements like line, markers, polygons, whatever, and they are overlapping one another, and you want to solve that problem. The best way to do that is to group elements in layers. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some elements to our map. Markers. Let's say one marker on latitude 44, longitude 25, label is going to be A, then pipe operator. I'm going to add one more marker like this, just with latitude 47 and longitude 21. We are going to change label to B, and now I'm going to create one line, add polylines function. Latitude is going to be collection of two values, 40 and 60, and longitude is going to be 20 and 30. I'm going to style it a little bit with color red and weight of 2. Okay, this is fine. Now I'm going to add pipe operator in here. Save it, run it, and let's see what we have. Alright, we have two markers and one line. And now, in order to make groups, we have to add a group element to every function we want to group. So now, to label A and marker A, I'm going to add group A. Here I'm going to add group B, and to polylines, group C, like this. Now, in order to take control, or better to say to create layers, we are going to use other function, add layers control, and we have to use argument overlay groups. And now with collection we are going to provide names of our groups. So we have A, B and C, and I want to add one more argument, options, layer control options, and collapsed true. In this case we are going to get one button that is going to be collapsed if we don't want to use grouping. Pipe operator at the end, like this. Save it, run it, and let's see what we have now. Okay, this is that button I told you about, and now if we uncheck one group, we are going to remove all of its elements. So now we have removed group A. Now we are going to remove group B, and the line is group C. And you could actually have multiple elements per single group. Let's say that I want to put both of markers in group A, and I'm going to name group B this line, and we are going to remove C from overlay groups. Save it, run it. Let's see what we have now. Now if we open our group button, we are going to see only two groups, and if I remove A, we are going to remove both markers, and if I remove B, we are going to remove only this line. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!